Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can create a recurring invoice, sales invoice on your Crunch account. On left hand side there is sales section and there is recurring invoices subcategory. Click on new invoice, we will create a draft of new invoice and then we'll be able to add a frequency of this invoice. So I will add quickly an invoice to Happy Limited. Okay, let's go to invoices and there is my draft. So when we click on options, we can set up recurring invoice, and there is where we need to add a frequency or occurrence. So repeat, monthly, repeat every month, but you can repeat daily, weekly, annually as well. So multiple choices to choose from. Repeat every 1, 2 or whatever which months need to be repeated, and then I can select on which date of the month I want this invoice to repeat. In my case it will be on 2nd and starts on 2nd of June, so next month, and ends I can select never after, let's say 12 times, so it means 1 year, or I can actually select a particular date, let's say at the end of this year, so December. So frequency would be monthly on the 2nd, starting on 2nd of June 2022 and finishes on 31st December 2022. If you tick issue invoice, this invoice will be created and sent out if you select the option. So I would select email invoice to client directly, but if you decide that you don't want to email, deselect and you can put a reminder, let's say 3 days before issuing invoice, and it will be not sent out to client, so you can manually send it afterwards once it's like created by system. Once you are happy with details entered, click create event. So now when we go to recurring invoices, our Happy Limited been added there. It starts on 2nd of June for 25 and it will be monthly till 31st December. So this is a way how you can add recurring invoices or create recurring invoices on your Crunch account. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I have gone through whole process from setting up a Crunch account until very last step of preparing self-assessment return.